natural hair. Over the years of me being on YouTube, I never really wore my hair natural. It was always styled. I always put way too much heat on it. And just recently, I've been really trying to embrace my natural hair. I've been wearing it natural for the last 2 weeks. So I'm gonna share with you kind of my tips and tricks on how to embrace the natural wave and how to control it, I guess, as best it can, because sometimes it can have a mind for its own. I will link all the products I do talk about down below. I'm not being sponsored by anyone, but these are just my ride and die products I've been using to get my natural waves under control. Comment down below letting me know what your natural hair is. Do you have wavy hair, straight hair, super curly hair? Let's get into the video. When it comes to my wavy hair routine, the first step, of course, is to wash your hair. So I'm gonna share with you everything I do while I'm washing my hair and then everything I do after my hair is washed. So the shampoo and conditioner that I use is the Matrix Biolage Ultra Hydra Source Shampoo and Conditioning Set. This is really great for dry hair, and a lot of the times when your hair is wavy slash curly or super curly, your hair is really dry and can use as much moisture as possible. It really is an intense moisturizer and anti-frizz shampoo, which frizziness can be a problem for my wavy slash curly hair girls out there. You guys definitely know the struggle. So I just go in first with the shampoo and I really focus it onto my scalp, really massaging my scalp and making sure I get any leftover product out. And this is just a really great shampoo because it gently cleanses your hair, but it doesn't dry it out. And of course, it smells amazing. Once I end up shampooing my hair out, I of course go into a conditioner and I just use the matching conditioner. I apply it and focus it on the ends of my hair. I always need to follow my shampoo with a conditioner, or if I don't use my conditioner, I will use a deep hair conditioning mask once a week at least. But this conditioner is also really great because it is really moisturizing and it's just going to provide shine and make your hair super soft as well. Something I like to do in the shower is I gently like to brush my hair while my conditioner is in it. So I went in with my wet brush to do so, and I started by brushing the ends of my hair first and then moving upward. Of course, when you do this, you have to be extremely gentle, but I always like to brush my hair during this point as opposed to after, because once you're out of the shower and you brush your hair out, or your hair is dried and you brush your hair out, you're just gonna completely ruin your waves and curls, and it's just gonna look like a frizzy mess. So that is why I make sure to brush it out while my conditioner is still in, and I make sure that I get rid of all the knots and tangles, and it just makes it a lot easier when you do have naturally wavy curly hair. And then of course I just like to rinse it out. I like to usually rinse my hair with cool water and not hot. Hot really dehydrates your hair, so I always like to use cool water when showering and washing my hair out. Something I like to do when I get out of the shower is just put on my hair turban towel. This is just really great to put on for a few minutes. So I just applied it to my hair and did a little twist and then flipped it over, as you guys will see. And I like to just keep this in for a few minutes to allow my hair to dry a little bit quicker. I just like the look it gives. And as well, of course, I am not putting any heat during this routine. But once I let it sit for a few minutes, then I will go ahead and take off my hair turban towel and move on to the products that I put into my hair after the shower. And I like to put these products in when my hair is still pretty damp and it isn't fully dry yet. This is the time I like to apply any leave-ins or oils, and this is just really gonna help with the overall frizziness of your hair. So to start off, the first product I use is the R+ Co Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. I do like to concentrate this mainly to the ends, but I do bring it a little bit up. I just put a little bit into my hands, mix my hands together, and I kind of scrunch it into my hair. For pretty much all my products, you will see I just like to scrunch my hair upwards. This is just going to allow it to hold the waves. It is an intense hydrating lotion, and it's really great for even people that have really long hair, but it's just really going to help tame any flyaways and moisturize those ends. So it's going to make sure that your hair is not looking super dry and dull. So I just like to apply that all over my hair, and it smells amazing as well. This is an amazing product that I always like to put when my hair is still wet and not fully dried. My hair is pretty dry. I can always use the moisture, so I always have to add a leave-in conditioner into my hair when I'm out of the shower. My wavy hair staple product is the Biolage Styling Whipped Volume Mousse, and this is what really helps to hold my waves. So I just applied some to my hand, mixed it into my hands, and I just scrunch my hair from the bottom up. You want to make sure that you're scrunching your fingers through your hair with an upward motion, because this is just really going to help with clumping and preventing that crunchy look, which I really love this mousse because of that. It doesn't make your hair feel crunchy or anything like that. It's really great because it's going to leave your hair with bounce and natural softness, but it's going to also provide body control and shine. And it's also really great because it's free of parabens, there's no mineral oil or artificial color, and it is formulated with blue agave. So this smells amazing, and it works really well in holding my hair and giving me that more natural, bouncy, wavy look. I like to still apply this onto my hair when my hair is damp. And then the last product I like to use on my hair is my Moroccan oil. This is just going to really help tame everything if I have any frizziness, and it also is great to add on the ends for protection, of course. I put a little bit up on the top, but very little a product, because of course you don't want your hair to look oily, but I did focus most of the product on the ends of my hair just to really tame any of those flyaways or frizziness. Some days my hair is a lot frizzier than other days. It's just kind of how it is. Your hair is never the same when you have wavy hair. Some days it's better than others. You guys totally know that struggle. I know you do. That's just how wavy hair girls kind of go. But this is the finished product. So after I put everything into my hair and it is dried, as you can tell, my hair is super wavy, and I do have some wavier pieces than others. It's just kind of how it is. Like most of you, I spent most of my life straightening the crap out of my hair and blow drying it in attempts to make my hair as straight as possible, and I've kind of stopped doing that. I really want to restore my natural curl pattern and get my curls back, and I've been loving the products I've been using. If you guys want to see more videos about how to restore your natural curl pattern, then totally let me know, because I will do more videos around it. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I will have all the products down below for you guys to go pick up if you guys want to try anything. All the products make your hair smell amazing. That is the one good thing, not having to go ahead and straighten or curl your hair. I just find when you straighten your hair, it kind of doesn't smell as good because you're burning your hair. But now that we're keeping it natural, you can actually smell all the hair products. I'm a sucker for good smelling hair products, and just, you know, when someone walks by and you could just smell their hair, I'm a sucker for that. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do upload every single week. And on that note, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!